Can you imagine how many tokens Tapswap gave me after referring over 1,000 users to their game and waiting for almost 1 year now? Tapswap has finally decided to be listed for trading, although they have yet to mention when exactly this is going to take place. Meanwhile, you have just a few days to withdraw your Tapswap from the mini app on Telegram to Bitget exchange. So withdrawal is closing on February 11th. Bitget, on the other hand, has confirmed the support of Tapswap withdrawal, and if you don't have an account on Bitget cryptocurrency exchange, make sure you use my link in the description of this video to sign up to claim some bonuses. In this video, I will guide you through withdrawing your Tapswap tokens to Bitget, break down their latest updates, and discuss other key topics. Before we dive right in, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. And once you are done with that, do well to drop your name in the comments below so I can officially welcome you to the family. First, let's talk about Tapswap's recent announcements. A few days ago, Tapswap revealed it will be launched on the BNB chain instead of the originally planned TON blockchain. Their reasons, it's best known to them. It's amusing how often they have changed direction. When they launched their Telegram mini app in February 2024, they promised to launch Tapswap token and their decentralized cryptocurrency exchange on the Solana blockchain. Months later, they pivoted to the TON blockchain, and now they have settled on the BNB chain. At this rate, I'm not going to be surprised if they are going to jump on Ethereum next. Another interesting thing is that they happen to be the #1 Telegram game that is taking too long to launch. Let's just hope the wait is actually going to pay off. To withdraw your Tapswap tokens, all you have to do is to launch the game by clicking on play, and then you click on drop. Then you are going to see select Taps withdrawal option. At the time of making this video, we have just one withdrawal option, and I believe in the next couple of days, other exchanges might join. So click on Bitget exchange, and don't forget to use my referral link to create an account on Bitget. If you don't already have an account, you can either click on this pop-up or you check the comments below or maybe the description. Use the link to create an account and receive some rewards. So you click on yes, I have it. That is if you have used my link to create an account. Then the next thing you want to do is to paste your address. So to paste your address, you will first of all open your Bitget account, and then you click on assets, then you click on add funds, then you click on deposit crypto, you search for Tapswap, select Tapswap, also known as Taps, then you are going to copy this Binance Smart Chain wallet address, BEP20, then you go back to Tapswap, paste it under where we have address. Make sure you don't give your house address at this point. It is your crypto address that you are supposed to provide, and you make sure you follow these instructions. Then you go back to your Bitget account, go to the home page, click on home, then click on the profile button at the top left corner, and then you are going to see your UID. Your UID is quite under your username on Bitget. Just touch the UID and you are going to see copy to clipboard at the bottom of your screen. Then you go back to Tapswap, paste your UID, and you tick I understand that I will lose my tokens if I send them to wrong address, and then you click on continue, and then they are going to confirm it again, your UID, your wallet address, the amount you are withdrawing, and you have to make sure that you do your KYC. So I think I should make a short video on how to go about it. If you're a Nigerian, you could actually use your BVN or maybe your NIN for your verification on Bitget, and your account is going to be verified within maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Click on confirm and you are good to go. So that's basically it. Barely an inconvenience. That will be all for now, guys. Do well to join our Telegram channel for crypto updates, free tutorials, trading signals, and crypto job opportunities. Link in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Drop your comments below, give this video a like, share with your friends. See you next time. Goodbye.